Welcome to our kitchen, where we're turning leftovers into culinary delights. In today's video, we'll explore creative ways to repurpose leftover ingredients and reduce food waste by preparing delicious dishes with recycled food items. Let's dive in. Start by assessing your fridge and pantry for leftover ingredients that need to be used up. This could include veggies, cooked grains, proteins, and more. Think outside the box and experiment with flavor combinations. Leftover roasted vegetables can be turned into hearty soups or transformed into flavorful stir-fries. Give classic dishes a makeover using recycled ingredients. Turn yesterday's rice into a flavorful fried rice, or repurpose stale bread into crunchy croutons for salads or soups. Transform scraps and trimmings into flavorful stocks and broths. Veggie scraps, bones, and herb stems can be simmered into a rich base for soups, stews, and sauces. Create creamy sauces and dips by blending leftover veggies or beans with herbs, spices, and a splash of olive oil. Use these versatile blends as toppings for toast, pasta, or as a dip for veggies. Leftover meats and proteins can be repurposed into savory casseroles, sandwiches, or added to salads for a protein boost. Get creative with marinades and seasonings to give them new life. Got leftover fruits or veggies? Incorporate them into baked goods like muffins, bread, or cakes for a naturally sweet and moist addition. Leftover sauces and gravies can be repurposed into new dishes like pasta sauces, soups, or braising liquids for meats and veggies. Minimize waste by planning meals in advance and incorporating leftover ingredients into your weekly menu. This helps ensure that nothing goes to waste and keeps your meals exciting and varied. Share your culinary creations with friends and family and encourage them to join you in reducing food waste by cooking with recycled ingredients. Enjoy the delicious flavors and the satisfaction of knowing you're making a positive impact on the environment. Cooking with leftovers not only helps reduce food waste, but also sparks creativity in the kitchen. With a bit of imagination and resourcefulness, you can transform yesterday's scraps into today's gourmet meals. So, raid your fridge, get cooking, and let's make the most of every ingredient.